Welcome to question bank. Today's question is a single phase transformer has no load loss of 64 watt. In short circuit test with 90% of rated current, measured power is 81 watt. 90% of rated current, measured power is 81 watt. Question is at what percentage of rated current it will have maximum efficiency. This is interesting question. First we have to consider, suppose you have to know that let I am considering let at x of full load, at x of full load copper loss, suppose at x of full load we will get maximum efficiency. This is the our consideration at x of full load. X may be any fraction. X of full load, suppose half of full load or 1/4 of full load, suppose 0.8 of full load, like this. And given is that for 90% of full load current, copper loss is equal to 81 watt. This is given, and you must have known that for suppose fraction f of a full load, copper loss will be is equal to f square into copper loss at full load. That means if copper loss at full load is suppose 100 watt, then at fraction of full load, that means suppose 80% of full load, the copper loss will be 80%, that means 0.8 whole square into 100. This is the thing. So here we have to find out what is the copper loss at full load. So copper loss at full load will be equal to 81 by 0.9 whole square, because this is given that at 90% of full load current the copper loss is 81 watt. So at full load copper loss will be 81 by 0.9 whole square. This is from this thing. This is the concept. So this will be equal to 100 watt. So we are assuming that at x of full load we are getting the maximum efficiency. So at x of full load, copper loss will be x square into 100. This is the same formula I am applying again. So this is the copper loss at maximum efficiency. And we know that at maximum efficiency variable loss is equal to the constant loss, and here we are considering variable loss to be the copper loss and constant loss to be the core loss. So here in the question given that no load loss is 64 watt, which considered to be the core loss. So at core loss or iron loss, so at maximum efficiency at maximum efficiency, copper loss will be equal to iron loss. This is the main concept. And so here copper loss at maximum efficiency is x square into 100, and iron loss is given, which is constant for every operation, is 64. So x square will be equal to 64 by 100, and x will be equal to 0.8, which is the 80%. So here we will get maximum efficiency at 80%. Option C is the correct answer. So what is the main thing to be remembered from this question? First thing is, for fraction f of full load, the copper loss for fraction f of full load copper loss will be equal to the f square into the full load copper loss. This was one thing. This is one thing to be remembered. One thing. And another thing is here at maximum efficiency, variable loss is equal to the constant loss, that is iron loss is equal to copper loss. These two things to be remembered from this question. So thank you for watching up to here.